欢迎回来 Welcome back. This is vocabulary. Vegetables 2. 蔬菜 菜 The first one we're going to learn is Chinese cabbage. In the US, in the supermarket, you'll see it called Napa cabbage. Actually, you will frequently see this in northern China, and people love this vegetable so much. I say it in Chinese. 大白菜 Here I put a bracket in front of 大. 大 means big, so big. You can just do not say this. Just call it 白菜. 的大不爱白吃爱菜大白菜 Next one, rib. It's called 油菜油吃爱菜油菜 Third one is cabbage. That one. Actually, this one in Chinese has a lot of names. Today I just gave you one. 卷心菜鸡蛋卷心吃爱菜 See, all of them include 菜 means it's a vegetable with leaves. 卷心菜 Last one is the purple one, purple cabbage. You can call here purple means 紫 Certain 紫 means purple. Okay, so you can say 紫卷心菜. It's a bit too long. So in Chinese we call 紫甘蓝 Ge an gan, le an lan. Actually, gan lan is the cabbage, is the scientific name. Gan lan. Zi gan lan. This is a popular vegetable here in the US, but in China, most of the street market you don't find it. Probably if you want to find this vegetable, you need to go to a supermarket. Next one is broccoli, a green color. 西兰花西了安兰和哇花 花 means flower, so it looks like a flower. 西兰花 Next one is cauliflower. 花椰菜 花 is flower. 花椰菜和花椰吃爱菜 Again, this is a more scientific name. In the northern China, people actually reduce the length of this word. Say directly 菜花 is the same like this. It's a flower-shaped vegetable. 菜花. You just put the 菜 in front of flower. 菜花. Alright, this is all the word we are going to learn for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.